face. Oh. Oh. Look. Oh. You're ugly na. Look what you did. Why did you do that to yourself? Tignan mo. Buti di mo pa natusok yung isa, oh. Bakat lang, oh. Ikaw talaga, nag-change lang ng clothes si mami. Na-injured ka na agad. Oh. How can you explain that? That wound? Why did you do that to yourself? Oh, you explain.
Mama!
Ayaw nga, princess.
Ma!
Oh, look at the camera, oh. Show them your wound. Why did you do that to yourself? Ikaw talaga, pasaway.